Today I'm going to show you how to change your desired salary on Glassdoor. Now, depending on what type of work you do, your salary range is important, and it also depends on what sort of employment type you are looking for. So go to job preferences over here from this top menu, and in job preferences you'll see that you have filters to filter out some best matching jobs. Okay, so you're going to come down here. You'll see minimum desired salary. Go ahead and click on this, and here you can change the currency, the pay period, so we can say hourly, and here we can say our basic is $30 an hour. Click on save, and it'll now be updated. So this will help when you're doing your job search. So if you go over here, click on Glassdoor, the logo, it'll take you back to your job feed or your home page, and here you will see job matches. So these job matches are more aligned to your job preferences than what it was before you actually added in all of that information, including the thing that we added in now, which was your salary range.